In a hidden canyon, a team of explorers found an entrance sealed for millennia. What lay beyond would rewrite local history and unsettle scholars worldwide. They descended past collapsed passageways into a chamber carved with unfamiliar glyphs and a single plinth, holding an object that pulsed with impossible light. The artifact emitted a dual glow, golden and blue, casting jagged shadows across walls inscribed with symbols no living culture could comfortably translate. Initial carbon dating around the chamber returned dates inconsistent with known timelines, suggesting an advanced society whose traces had been deliberately obscured. Local legends spoke of a people called Echoia, whispered as myth. Now physical evidence demanded investigators take myths as potential records rather than mere folklore. The discovery posed a larger question. How does a civilization leave behind a monument so vivid, yet remove itself from every other record of existence? Archaeologists mapped satellite anomalies and unearthed urban outlines beneath desert sands, revealing planning and architecture far more sophisticated than surrounding contemporaries. Pottery shards, irrigation channels, and stone inscriptions suggested complex social hierarchies, trade networks, and technological knowledge lost to later cultures. Linguists attempted to decode the glyphs. Patterns emerged referencing seasons, trade, and astronomical cycles, but grammar resisted any neat comparison to known tongues. Evidence pointed to remarkable craftsmanship, metal alloys unknown in nearby cultures, acoustically designed halls, and star-aligned monuments indicating advanced observation practices. Burial sites revealed rituals suggesting a culture both reverent of memory and obsessed with controlled forgetting, a paradox that would preface their disappearance. Piecing these fragments revealed a coherent society with arts, laws, and ambitions, yet an almost surgical removal of its public records after a pivotal century. At the heart of the chamber, the artifact resisted classification. It combined a mechanical symmetry with materials that reacted to light and proximity. Conservators approached with surgical caution. The surface bore etchings that hinted at narrative, but the lines refused to resolve into a single readable story. Spectroscopy revealed element ratios unfamiliar to known metallurgy. Some alloys displayed luminescence when exposed to frequencies mimicking their star alignments. Some researchers proposed the artifact functioned as memory storage, a cultural archive encoded in light, sound, and material resonance rather than written pages. Attempts to activate the device produced partial translations, names of places, ritual fragments, and a repeated injunction about unmaking the trace. If this artifact recorded identity, then its creators encoded both memory and a means to sever that memory from history itself, a chilling duality. Scholars debated motives, voluntary forgetting as cultural purification, enforced erasure to prevent misuse, or a technological catastrophe rewriting societal traces. Environmental collapse remains plausible. Isotope analysis showed abrupt climatic shifts coinciding with population decline, but collapse alone does not erase cultural fingerprints. A darker hypothesis suggests intentional cultural erasure, rituals designed to remove names, monuments, and memory from future discovery as a final command. Alternatively, an algorithmic failure within their archival technology could have scrambled records, leaving a single artifact as a residual node of a lost memory system. Cross-cultural influences hint at external forces, migrations, conquest, or assimilation that might have deliberately removed cultural identifiers to absorb survivors. None of these theories fully explains the precision and scale of erasure. The truth likely blends human choice with technology and environmental pressure. As researchers continue, the artifact remains a focal point, a relic that preserves fragments while inviting new hypotheses about identity and loss. Modern communities near the discovery site now grapple with renewed identities and contested ownership, raising ethical questions about cultural heritage. Museums and universities debate access versus preservation, while indigenous voices demand a role in interpreting a past that touches their present. Ultimately, this case forces us to confront fragile assumptions about continuity, the permanence of records, and the power of forgetting as deliberate act. The artifact does more than preserve fragments. It challenges modern historians to imagine histories that chose oblivion and to honor those choices with humility. The cave remains sealed again for now, the artifact dim but not silent. Its presence promises more revelations if we listen carefully to what was intentionally forgotten.